Hey everyone! So today I want to talk to you about the finance menu. We'll do a quick overview. I just want to point out some of the reports that you're able to generate from that menu, but later on I'll do a detailed video for each one of those reports. All right, so here we go. Let me just go directly into the finance menu right here. First thing I want to show you is that you are able to access your T4As on this platform. So as soon as your brokerage generates them, instead of receiving them by email, you could go directly in your eZmax and access your T4As, all right? Now, the first report I'd like to show you is the financial report. Basically, the financial report will give you a balance of all your commissions receivables and all your invoices that are due. So if you owe monies to the agency, it will show over here. Now, if we look at the transaction report is a big report. It will show you all your numbers for a complete year. So talking about your listings, your conditional deals, your buyer's contracts if you had any, your closed deals, etc. And at the bottom of this report, you will see the grand total income. So that's a nice thing to see just quickly on a report. The statistics report, so the transaction statistics, is basically going to give you the number of listings that you've had. It'll give you the total in terms of your new deals. It'll give you canceled deals if you had any, and what were the deals that you actually closed that year. Your commissions report will give you all your commissions to date or for a given period. You pull it the way you want. Commissions deduction report, so all the brokerage fees on each one of your transactions. Again, you could pull it for a full year or for a given period, up to you. Then we're looking at your report of income forecast. So this will be any incomes that are coming up. So these are deals that have been closed, they're in the system, they may be conditional. These are monies that are going to be paid out to you. All right. So what's nice about this report also is that it takes into consideration all your brokerage fees and the deductions that will be applicable to these payouts. Your agents' earning and payments. So basically, it gives you a full detailed list of your earnings for a given period. And it will take into consideration all the deductions, the invoices that have been taken from those payouts, and then the payments that have been actually done. The agent's tax report. So this is something that is really nice as well because you're able to generate it in an Excel sheet so that it gives you all your revenues and all your expenses so that you're able then to submit this to your accountant for your accountant to work with or your quarterly tax reporting, right? So that's available in eZmax as well. And then if we look at the next item, it's the list of checks receivables. So what is outstanding in terms of payments? So what are whether, and we say checks, but it could be EFTs as well, right? So any payments that are outstanding, you could search them over here from this menu. And then same thing with your list of invoices. What's unpaid? What is paid? You want to look at specific types of invoices, you could go ahead and do that. Everything is clickable. All right, so you could get a whole bunch of information right there. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. But again, stay tuned for more detailed videos on each one of these reports. Take care. Have a great day.